We're going to continue now this video, and this will be Acts 10:6. The other was Acts 10:5, and both of those will be in the seminary folder. Now we're going to take up where we left off in Norman O. Brown. We continue. The complicated dramatology of the Athanasian Creed is a new interpretation of the old story, a drama of the incarnation or reincarnation of God in man. That is, it seems to assert, is a mystical transformation of the actor into the part, an absorption of the manhood into the Godhead, the Son into the Father. I and my Father are one, as Jesus said, and the mystical transformation of the part into the whole. But if the actor is really transformed into the part, and the part is a whole, then mask is reality, and persons finally acquire the modern sense of the personality as the real self. Persona es substantia rationalis individualum. A person is a rational individual substance. Substance in Latin, substantia, is what stands underneath the mask, but also that which stands by itself or in itself and not in another. A person is a mask which has grown into the body, grown with one body, which became permanent when the drama is internalized, which became indivisible for the body. Then it became invisible, a part of which is a whole. See, things can exist apart and some cannot. And it is for the former that is a substance. That's from Aristotle. An individual, a part which is a whole, that infinite substance which Spinoza exposed as non-entity. Spinoza exposes non-entity. The black fellows in Australia, the rugged savages we know, make themselves a temporary personality by simply applying a makeup paint, and a mask is gone as quickly as it is made. Permanent masks, preserved as heirlooms, represent the deeper occupation of the individual by ghosts, a deeper investment in the present by the past, but the mask is worn only in ritual occasions. The justic personality never dies, and incorporated in the property never disappears. The indivisible internal drama of consciousness never ceases, and finally, the mystery of Christianity is its abolition of the distinction between person and substance. The incomprehensibility of the Athanasian Creed corresponds to our unconscious of the magic in personality. Where primitive have magic, we have the unconscious magic, which is our personality. What we fail to recognize is that all symbols, defense mechanisms, in fact, personality itself is a form of magic. Primitives have magic in a conscious form, whereas with us, it can be a function only, except in certain forms of neurosis and psychosis, if it is unconscious. Except in certain forms of neurosis and psychosis, the insane are closer to the truth. Thus, we have all, from this section of Person in Love's Body by Norman O. Brown. We hope that this section understands the deeper meaning of the mask and how it relates to Christianity and its doctrine itself. This has informed us even more of that one chapter and two verses in the book of sense.